You're able to see, right? So now we have from the one more property type is ఒక్క నిమిషం ఒక కాల్ వస్తుంది.
Okay.
Okay, okay, that is the application issue only. You can try from later also. Same you are getting, you can try with the other. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll go to the date and time parameterization. So for now, we are see from the file parameterization, like file nothing but is alphanumeric characters. So that we are done from the using from the file. So date and time is, for example, in your script, we are seeing from this, you can observe any date and time will be there. You need to check with the first of all, any date and time parameterization value will be there, not there you can check. See here, expiry date will be there. So this is the expiry date of the your credit card. Okay. So this is the actually what is the date that one 1707. So if you not done the parameterization, what will happen? Expiry date it is already completed. Today is the 23. But if you are not done the parameterization, what happen means your expiry date will be happen. So if you done from the parameterization date and time, what will happen means what is the current date will be there, automatically it will be pick from the, if you execute from the tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if you execute after 1 year also, it will automatically it will pick from the current date. Okay, so that is the point of view we need to do from the date and time parameterization. So because when you are recording that script at the time you are given from the okay expire date is the today itself. So it is a today is completed. If you are execute from the tomorrow same script it will work. No, right? Because already expire date is completed. So you are able to book the pet. No, right? So that is why in our script, what are the date and time parameters will be there. We need check for that and we can do from the same way. We can select that, click on from the right button, replace with parameter, click on create new parameter and give the parameter name. Okay, we are doing from the CC, nothing but credit card expire date. Okay, and underscore param I'm given. Okay, and this is the type. What is the type? This is the date and time. So that is why you need to select from the date and time and click on properties. And if you see here, property type, we are selected date and time. And here, these all will be formats. So our application, which format it is showing, we want that format. We want means we need to select from the here. Okay, we have from the different formats will be there here. See if you select this. So this is same like as hours. Yes or no? Date and month. So means why we need to select from the same like that means when as a developer developing from the application already they are given from the format only DDM format here they are given. So same format we need to select here. Otherwise if you select like this it will not accept application. Why? Because when as a developer developing from the application they are given from the format. So what is the format will be there? We should follow from same format. So like that you can select minus d minus m and slash a. For example, ourself we want to, for example, our date will be like this will be there 23 dash today is 07. So this format will be there application example. So then ourself also we can like customize from the format date and time format. So first what is that date? So we need to give from the percentage d and after that you are giving from the slash is nothing but minus and again percentage and f. See 23 minus 7 means as per our convenient what is the format we want we can do it from the here also. But actually, what is the format? Actual format is this is the format 23/7. So you need to select from the that format, and after that, click on close and click on OK and no. See, it is a replace is completed. See, the expiration. So now you can save this and run this. Okay, before running, we can check from the runtime settings. It will be how many times it will be there. Okay. Run logic. Okay, I'm giving from the only one. Okay, now I will replaying the script. Now we'll see that CC expire date, what date it will pick, we can see. Now go to the output window. Here, go to the script. You can observe CC expire date param is the 23/7. So what is the this date? Current date. So means same script if you execute from the after 2 days also, what is the current date will be there? That date it will be pick. So that is why we should handle from the date and time parameterization using from the date and time parameterization type. Okay. For example, this is the 23/7. 23/7 actually this. Okay. But sometimes what will happen? Same date it is not happen. Maybe it is a before also, after also dates will be there. Before and after. Before means like 23 will be there. I want from the next month 08 like 23 I want. Okay. 23 of 08. Maybe this date. Like before, after, sorry, before is not this. So before is a 06 and after is the 23 and 08. So maybe we want this kind of format to also we can do from the using from the our date and time parameterization. For example, we can see here, can go to the parameter properties. Here we can select from the offset how many days you want. Okay, for example, I want from the like 30 days I give it. Okay, and we'll close this and you can just execute this, save and execute. We'll see the which date it will pick when we are selected from the offset. Okay, internal server that is expected. That should be fine. Okay, you can observe what date escape 22/08. So next month of this means future date. So we want from the future date means what you can do, go to the parameter properties and select from the offset. Offset nothing but it is a future date. So if you given 30 days of this, so that is why after 30 days which date it will come 21. If you give from the 31, same date it will come. If you observe now again, but same date from the next month. So means using from the date and time information, we can do from the like parameterization, future and past also we can do. See 23/08. So this is the future date is fine. But I want from the past date. Then what can we do means you can go to the again parameter and here already you are selected offset, right? What you can do means just select as a period to current date. So when you are selected from the period to current date, what will happen means, so it will be go to the like past date. Actually today date is a 23/07. What is the past date of the after 31 days? 23/06. So now we'll see that 23/06 will get or not, you can observe. Okay, now go to the output window. Okay, go to the above in the output. See, you can observe 23/06. So means using from the date and time parameterization, we can do from the past date and future date also we can do. So that how we are doing means the parameter properties, we need to select from the offset And if you select from the period to current date only, it will go to the past date. If you not selected this, what will happen? It will be not go to the past date. It will go to the future date. After 31 days, it will pick. Okay. And again, we can see here only from the working days also will be there. For example, we'll take as a days. For example, I taking from the 5 days as of now 5 days. Okay. So what is the today date? 23. After 23, actually which date it will pick? Future date 28 or something it will pick, because we are given from the 5 days from the that. So now if you go to the application here, output window, see 28 it is picked. So if you select working days only, now you can observe from the difference. Now I selected only working days. Now you can observe from the working days nothing but except Saturday, Sunday will be removed, and it is not calculated from the Saturday and Sundays. See, 37 it is picked. Same dates we are given, 5 days only. What is difference means you can observe. So we are not selected as a working days only. If you are not selected, then it is calculated from the 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 also. But we are selected as the only working days, then 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 means it is a 30 it will be we are getting from the date. That is the one more way also we can do from that. Actually, as per our convenient, we can utilize from the working days or work without working also. This will be applicable from the future date and past date also. And here also we have from the properties, each occurrence, each iteration, and each once only. Once means it will be first time what is the value pick, continue from the all the iterations. So you want only current date, then you can select that. But you have from the occurrences will be there in within the script. So you can select from the occurrences. Otherwise, you want from the different from the each iteration, you can select from the each iteration. So based on from this, we can select from the this property type also. Like this, we can do from the date and time parameterization. So you have any doubts, Vinod, for this? No, right? So you can practice this and web tour applications both. And if you got any doubts, any issues, you can call me or message in our group. Okay? Okay, Vinod? Yeah, thank you, Vinod. We'll catch from tomorrow also same time and we'll continue. Okay? You can practice well, Vinod. If you have doubts, you can call me anytime, no problem. Okay? If maybe I will available, not available also, just typing message. And after that, again, I will call back you.